In this video, we'll set out to determine if the Skyrover S1 can compete with the DJI Mavic Air 2 as far as picture quality is concerned. Skyrover is fairly new on the market. The Skyrover S1 retails for about $270 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. And you can get the DJI Mavic Air 2 on Facebook Marketplace from about $500 to $700. Both of these drones shoot in 4K, and they both have the same size camera and the same size sensor. And even though both of these drones use the same camera size and the same sensor size, the transmission is supposed to be better from the DJI product. Another thing to keep in mind is that the Skyrover S1 is under 250 grams, so you don't have to register that with the FAA, while the DJI Mavic Air 2 is over 250 grams, so you do have to register that drone. We'll get both drones in the air. We'll shoot the same shot twice. We'll label one as drone A and one as drone B. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video because we'll reveal which drone footage came from drone A and which drone footage came from drone B. You guessed that drone A was the Skyrover S1, then you got it right. And drone B, as shown again here, is the footage from the DJI Mavic Air 2. Here's the Skyrover S1 again. For only $270, did the Skyrover exceed your expectations? So far from my testing, the Skyrover S1 seems to be a really good budget-friendly option. Maybe I'll reach out to Skyrover and see if we can get an X1 to do some testing on that as well. One last look at the Skyrover S1. Let us know what you think about this budget-friendly option. Is it something good to use for content creators, or is it just another DJI knockoff that won't last? Thanks for watching.